In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your status in Microsoft Teams, a handy tool that helps you manage your availability and communicate more effectively with your team. Whether you're at work, taking a break, or in deep focus mode, setting your status can help manage expectations and streamline communication. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to make this process as easy as possible. To get started, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Teams application and navigate to the sign in page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Signing into Teams ensures that you're connected to your organization or Teams network, allowing others to see your status updates. Once you're logged into Teams, take a look at the upper right hand corner of your interface. Here you'll see your profile icon, which usually displays your initials or your profile picture. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop down menu. This menu is your control center for managing personal settings and preferences. It's good to familiarize yourself with this menu because it's where you can make quick tweaks and adjustments to your profile and status. Now that you're in the drop down menu, you should see your current status displayed, such as available, busy, or another status. Click on the status indicator, which is typically a dot next to your profile picture. This will open up a variety of status options, showing that Teams offers several predefined statuses designed to reflect your current working conditions. You have statuses like available or busy, but there's also do not disturb if you require focused time without interruptions, or away if you need to step away from your desk momentarily. Select the status that best fits your current situation by clicking on it. By changing your status, you're effectively communicating to your team if you can be reached or if you need some time to focus without distractions. Choosing the right status can really enhance interpersonal efficiency in a digital workspace. Optionally, if you'd like to provide more context, you can add a status message. This can be particularly useful if your status doesn't fully convey your current circumstance, or if you want to communicate to people what you're working on without needing constant follow-ups. To do this, just type your message in the space provided and choose whether you want the message to appear in your Teams chat with others. And that's a wrap on setting your status in Microsoft Teams. With these simple steps, you're better equipped to manage your availability and communicate more transparently with your team. Thanks for tuning in and happy collaborating.